Flavors are melting on my tongue.
Hi. Bro Electric Cat.
What can I get for you?
Hey, you sleeping in the food.
Hello? Hello? I hear you.
And he falls down all by himself, perfectly landing.
It's an iPhone 10 next to it.
This is a cat.
Sometimes a warning sign. Hey, ladies, I have class here. You cannot do that. Shame on you. My apologies.
I see that you are cleaning your face, but in all honesty, you need to clean your butt. Why are you so dusty?
Base of a bit, stretching out over the top.
Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Oi, oi.
This is my hair wet. A little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Boy dripped out. He got the hoodie. What's it say? What's it say? Ass muncher.
Me, mother. Me.
Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me? No. Ben, are you gonna kidnap me?
Yes.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out!
Are you hungry?
Why is he stroking the meatball?
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
Hey, know your G. Know your G.
Oh! Get back. Look, this stays there. Really? You're gonna do it right in front of me? ¿Otra vez?
You got caught in 4K.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm saying? How you doing? Good working, fella. How's God blessing you?
That's the dumbest cat I've ever had. I've ever seen. She's so dumb.
Bitch.
Thomas! Ja? Ja?
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
This is for your benefit, okay? Because you be hurting people with your nails, boo. I'm sorry I had to do this. They used me too. Okay? I'm sorry.
Not to make things dark, but he be making it look like I started self-harming again the way he be scratching me.
Est-ce que tu arrêteras de te faire les griffes sur mes cours?
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open. Nothing's stopping you from coming inside. Are you dumb?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
14 seconds left. One of the more underrated things people talk about is just that kind of time. Look at how much time he has back there, right? Fields does have nothing compared to that. The skill of the field, the progression. Just imagine a guy who knows where to go every play. Chicago #1.